a galvanometer, how to convert galvanometer into ammeter. So, conversion of galvanometer into ammeter. So, we know that ammeter is a device which checks the current in a circuit. So, ammeter is connected always in series with the circuit, whereas the voltmeter is connected in parallel, right? Ammeter measures current, voltmeter measures voltage. So let us see how to convert a galvanometer. What we'll do, we'll take galvanometer and connect one resistance, very low value of resistance called so we'll connect a galvanometer with a low resistance in parallel. The name of this resistance will call shunt resistance. Here the main current I will flow through the circuit, and when it comes at this point, the current is get divided into a current called current through galvanometer Ig, and remaining current, say I1, flows through the shunt resistance called S. Here this I1 is equal to, we can say that this is total current, that means I1 is equal to I minus Ig, right? And this I1 current comes here again, meet with Ig current and flows in this direction. Again the same amount of current flows to this. That means what I have drawn on the board, this whole act as a, this whole put together act as a ammeter. This is nothing but ammeter. So this whole act as a ammeter. Here the condition is that you should take shunt resistance very, very less, so that high amount of current can flow through this called S. Now both are connected parallel, that means the voltage drop across S and G is same. Voltage drop across S and G is same. So to convert galvanometer into, so it will say that a galvanometer can be converted into ammeter by connecting very low resistance in parallel किसके साथ, with galvanometer, with galvanometer. That means to convert galvanometer into ammeter, we have to connect our low resistance, which is also called shunt resistance in parallel with the galvanometer. So that means this act like a ammeter. So I have converted galvanometer into ammeter. So galvanometer can be converted into ammeter by connecting very low resistance in parallel with the galvanometer, right? Okay, take a galvanometer so that it can act as a ammeter in my circuit. Now let us see. So for this, what we'll do? We say that potential across S is equal to potential across G. Why? Because they are parallel, and we know that in parallel voltage drop is always same. पैरेलल में अगर हम कनेक्ट करेंगे तो वोल्टेज ड्रॉप हमेशा सेम रहेगा. सीरीज में अगर हम कनेक्ट करेंगे तो वोल्टेज ड्रॉप अलग अलग होगा, यानी कि वोल्टेज बढ़ जाएगा, बट यहाँ पर वोल्टेज रिमेन्स सेम रहेगा. सो जो भी वोल्टेज यहाँ पर है सेम वोल्टेज यहाँ रहेगा. ओके, दैट मीन्स वोल्टेज अक्रॉस यस इज नथिंग बट, इफ यू सी यस, तो यस पर वोल्टेज कितना है? I1 into yes. Is it right? Why? By Ohm's law. Yes is resistance. I into R is V. V is nothing but potential drop across the resistance. Yes. Right? So I1 into S is equal to the voltage drop across the galvanometer. So what is voltage drop across galvanometer? Again I into R. So here I is Ig and the resistance of galvanometer is G. Okay, so both I'll say equal. Why? Because the potential drop across the this yes is equal to G because of this condition. Is it? Okay, so now I1 into yes is equal to Ig into G. Now I can say that this I1 is nothing but I minus Ig. Is it right? Into capital G. Right? So I am interested to find yes. So I can say that yes value is equal to Ig capital G divided by I minus Ig. Is it right? So this is the value of my small resistance which I have connected in galvanometer to make it a ammeter. अमीटर बनाने के लिए galvanometer को जो मैंने resistance लिया जिसकी minimum value होनी चाहिए resistance की, वो हमने निकाली. That is yes is equal to Ig divided by I minus Ig. Is it okay? So हम इसे क्या करते हैं यहाँ पे, इसे for time being equation 1 नाम देंगे, इसे हम time being equation 2 नाम देंगे. Now, if I ask you, भाई Ig कितना होगा बताइए, तो आप बता सकते हैं सर इक्वेशन 2 को उठाइए और बस थोड़ा सी मैथमेटिकल कैलकुलेशन कीजिए, Ig मिल जाएगा. राइट? सो नाउ लेट अस सी Ig. सो नाउ फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 या इक्वेशन 1 को हम यहाँ पे लेंगे. इक्वेशन 1 हमें क्या कहता है कि I माइनस Ig इंटू एस इज इक्वल टू Ig into capital G. Now this time I am interested in Ig. मुझे Ig पता करना है ना, जैसे हमने yes पता किया, राइट? तो Ig पता करना है, तो Ig कैसे पता करेंगे? सो Ig के लिए हम इंटू करेंगे, yes को अंदर भेजेंगे, या yes into I माइनस Ig yes is equal to Ig capital G. So now from this I can say that Is is equal to Ig. इस टर्म को वहाँ भेज दीजिए, Ig G प्लस Ig इंटू यस. सो नाउ अभी कॉमन ले लीजिए, Ig इज कॉमन, सो G प्लस यस इज हियर I इंटू यस. राइट? सो आई कैन से दैट द करंट थ्रू द गैल्वेनोमीटर कितना फ्लो होगा, ये फ्लो होगा I इज इक्वल टू I डिवाइडेड बाय दिस I डिवाइडेड बाय और यू कैन से यस ले लेंगे, I हम बाद में लिखेंगे, यस डिवाइडेड बाय G प्लस यस. अब जो I हमने लिखना था वो यहाँ लिखेंगे थोड़ा सा सिस्टमेटिक वे में. राइट? सो दिस इज माई Ig. सो Ig इज इक्वल टू यस डिवाइडेड बाय G प्लस यस इनटू दिस I. राइट? सो इन दिस वे आई कैन से दैट दिस इज galvanometer current. So it is galvanometer current, that is Ig is equal to yes divided by G plus yes into I. Now let us see same thing but for voltmeter. Now how to convert galvanometer into voltmeter. So Now, instead of ammeter, we'll see this time voltmeter. So conversion of galvanometer into, right, galvanometer into